The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
In a meeting of the Central Executive Committee of the United Democratic Party UDP on the 6th of August 2024, discussions centered on party matters including the forthcoming MDC elections to the Autonomous District Council and the by-election for the Gambegre Constituency. This by-election was necessitated by the resignation of sitting MLA Salemg Sangma, who was elected to the Lok Sabha in June this year. UDP President Met Balingdo announced that the party has identified candidates for most constituencies in the MDC elections, with further selections pending in some areas. Regarding the Gambegre by-election, Lingdo stated that the party's supporters in the Garo Hills will be tasked with choosing the right candidate.
MDC election one yung patip ado lalu kan long election tama nakay party so pa i nade ya kawan penkre ya ka party constituency level, district level mat man identify no ya candidate ki ba nalor kitu ki bangina don pa dan penjuki ibade ki elected member ki ba de rupa ki MDC kita nak penjuki ki ba ni nada biya don ke jinge kerek mana jinge me kini candidate bagi dan bagi konstitusi ki bagi ham ki bagi katu kan ki bagi ham ki bagi buat ya ki candidate dia kata kalau nampak susu ini keren doa kebiri buat by election juga Gambegre dia kebiri buat ni di sini kerana ini ka jing perkat nak kalian jong ka level jong ki ka district Garo Hills berkoi ba in di song perkat di 8 pon di song perkat ini paham tentang by election yang mereka din ba Salemg Sangma pada MLA nantu job mereka MP election tentang dari MP apa Delhi